Alright, now we're about to move on to the next step of the operation. I've already done a before sound test, which I will cut into the final episode. So now it becomes time to start dismantling what I've got here, because I'm going to take it down pretty much to just take anything, all the hardware off of it. First thing I got to do is get rid of these strings, so just use the old string winder, back them off a little bit. These are locking tuners, so what I'll do is just loosen off the strings, which you can't see at the head there, but that's fine. I think everybody's seen strings being loosened off before. Alright, all loose. I just have to loosen off the locks. Off comes the string. Alright, all loosened off. Take that off as one piece. And we'll set that aside. Alright, well, that I can leave in. But it just pulls off. I should probably set a little glue around that, but it's not going anywhere. Again, just put it somewhere aside. And I'll be back in a sec. I gotta get something to put screws in. Alright, just get myself a little plastic box to keep all the parts in. These may be a little difficult to get off. Just a little gentle persuasion. There we go. Very gentle. You don't want to break these. You just got to get them started. And we got screws off. Just so don't lose anything, I'm going to take it all off. Makes it easier to work with too. Okay, I like them down. That's okay. Everything off the front. Flip it over. Now, Alright, what we're going to have to do now is basically unsolder everything. Interesting how they do that. Well, I'm going to go with the Seymour Duncan things, so I'm going to pause this. Alright, time to do some desoldering. Helps to work with a tinned tip. Okay. Helpful tool. It's called a soldapult or a desoldering solder sucker. It's perfect for unsoldering these things. Okay, let's start with this over here. At least I'm going to remove the connections. Whoa, that's way too high. Something else that's handy to use. 250K pots. Something I should have done before I started. This should actually be tightened up. They work better when they're tight. Warm. Okay. Important thing is now the pickups are now loose. I can leave the rest of this wiring for now and decide how much of I want to keep and how much I don't. No, I'm going to take it all off here just to, because I intend to upgrade it all. So. They put this on there good. There we go. Now everything's disconnected. I can turn it back over again and start disconnecting things, start removing things. Okay. taking everything off because I want to clean it up as well. And I'll do it easier with everything off. Now this is going to be the fun bit. I have a tool for doing this stuff, but it doesn't fit this. Okay, it's already loose. Good. There we go. That's all the electrical stuff off. Now we're just going to have to take apart the... I'll turn that right now and make sure it's unplugged. Now we take off the pick guard, which is what the pickups are actually mounted in. Pick guard, scratch plate, whatever you'd like to call it. Ta-da! Well, it says these are Maxon, whatever that means. Well, they're definitely potted. Maxon 12717. Interesting. Yep, definitely been potted. Alright, well. This is fairly straightforward. And it needs the smaller screwdriver even for that. Well, since these are actually, best I can describe, the same pickup, should be straightforward enough to just, don't have to keep them separated. Should probably attach those. Anyway, dismantled. Next step is clean it up, clean the whole thing up thoroughly, and then I'm going to start reassembling with the new components. That'll be the next video.